Good morning, children. Megha ma'am is back again with all new concept of the month, and the name of the concept is fruits and vegetables. Yes, and they're very healthy for us to eat, right? So name of the concept is fruits and vegetables, and we are going to discuss about that. Okay, so are you ready? Yes, show your double thumbs up. Good. So today ma'am will introduce a new rhyme on fruits, 2 new vocab words and 2 new questions. Are you all excited? Yes? Shall we start a rhyme? Yes? And the name of the rhyme is Garmi Ke Phal. The name of the rhyme is Garmi Ke Phal. And what do we call Garmi in Hindi, in English? We call summer, and Phal is fruit. So what all fruits we eat in summer season? Summer season is going on. We eat mango, we eat watermelon, we eat muskmelon, right? So, and lychee also. So these are all the fruits which comes in summer season. So we are going to do a rhyme, Garmi ke phal. Let's start with ma'am. Garmi ke phal न्यारे न्यारे, मीठे मीठे प्यारे प्यारे, सभी फलों का राजा आम, बच्चे बूढ़े करे सलाम। खरबूजा तरबूज जब आते, सारी गर्मी दूर भगाते। आड़ू चीकू गोल गोल, खाओ इन्हें बिन पूछे मोल, खाओ इन्हें बिन पूछे मोल। Can we all recite one more time? Good. Let's do it. गर्मी के फल न्यारे न्यारे, मीठे मीठे प्यारे प्यारे, सभी फलों का राजा आम, बच्चे बूढ़े करे सलाम। खरबूजा तरबूज जब आते, सारी गर्मी दूर भगाते। आड़ू चीकू गोल गोल, खाओ इन्हें बिन पूछे मोल, खाओ इन्हें बिन पूछे मोल। Wow, did you like this rhyme? So can we all clap for us? Oh, wow, good children. Now children, we are going to introduce 2 questions. And do you want to know, my first question is related on festival, and the name of the festival is Raksha Bandhan. The name of the festival is Raksha Bandhan. How do we celebrate Raksha Bandhan? And what do we call Raksha Bandhan in Hindi? We call Rakhi. And Rakhi is a festival of brothers and sisters. It is a festival of brothers and sisters in which sisters tie Rakhi on brother's wrist and brother give gifts to sisters. And brother also promise sisters that I will take care forever. I'll take care of you forever. Okay? So, how do we celebrate Raksha Bandhan? Sisters tie Rakhi. We are going to answer. Sisters tie Rakhi on their brother's wrist. This is a wrist? Yes? I'll tell you and I'll show you the wrist also. Okay? This is a wrist. So, sisters tie Rakhi on their brother's wrist. This is the full sentence. How do we celebrate Raksha Bandhan? You will answer, sisters tie Rakhi on their brother's wrist. Now you want to see something on Raksha Bandhan? Shall I show you? Are you all excited? So close your eyes. No cheating. Good children. So children, can you see something? Can you see Rakhi on brother's wrist? Can you see this Rakhi? Yes. And who is tying Rakhi? Sister is tying Rakhi on brother's wrist. Can you see? Wow. Can you again see? I'll show you. See? Sister is tying Rakhi on brother's wrist. He's brother and she's sister. And see, brother is going to give a gift to his sister. See? Can you see? Wow, so Raksha Bandhan is a festival of brother and sister. Brother and sister. And sisters tie Rakhi on brother's wrist. Now children, you have seen how we celebrate Raksha Bandhan. Now we are going to introduce few fruits. And there are fruits which have different kind of seeds. Few have 1 seed, few have so many seeds. And what are seeds? Seeds are बीज जो छोटे से अंदर होते हैं उसके अंदर. Okay, so my question is, name 3 fruits with 1 seed. Name few fruits with one seed. ऐसे fruit जिसमें one seed होता है, one बीज होता है. Okay? So you will answer mango, lychee, cherry have one seed. You will answer mango, lychee, cherry have one seed. Okay, so these fruits have only one seed. You want to see all the fruits which have one seed? I'll show you these three and I will show you many more. Do you want to see? Are you all excited? Say yes, ma'am. Good. Come, let's see fruits and its seeds. See, children, which fruit is this? This is a mango, and mango is the king of the fruit also. We call it as a king of fruit. And mango has one seed. Can you see a seed of mango? ये mango जब हम cut करते हैं, when we cut a mango, this big seed comes out. This is called a seed. And mango has only one seed. Mango has only one seed, and mango has a big seed. Yes? Do you want to see another one? Let's go. Wow, which fruit is this? This is a lychee and it comes in bunches. It doesn't come in one piece. It comes in bunches. And lychee has also one seed. Can you see? Can you see black seed? When we peel the skin of a lychee, white portion comes and then a seed is there inside. And this is the black seed of lychee. It also has one seed. Wow, which fruit is this? Very yummy. Yes, this is cherry. Which fruit is this? Cherry. It is red in color from outside and it also has one seed. It also has one seed. Can you see a seed here? One? Yes, cherry also has one seed. Now another fruit. Wow, which fruit is this? This is a plum. This is a plum. This is almost a fruit which has a line in the tummy. It has a line in its tummy and it has one seed. Can you see a seed of plum? Yes, plum also has one seed. Good children. And which fruit is this? This is peach. This is peach. Peach also has one seed. Can you see a seed of peach? Yes, this is also a seed of peach. So we have so many fruits which has one seed. You have seen peach, you have seen plum, you have seen cherry, you have seen lychee, and you have seen mango. They all have one seed inside. Good. So children, you have seen fruits with one seed. Can you now name them? Yes, we all can name together. So mango, lychee, cherry, peach, plum, what else? You have seen so many fruits? Yes. So they all have one seed. Okay. So you will answer mango, lychee, cherry, plum and peach. They all have one seed. We will answer in one sentence. Okay. Now we are going to introduce two new words. And the new vocabulary words are wrist and wash. So my first word is wrist. What is my first word? Wrist. Wrist is a body part. We all have. And where is the wrist? Do you know? Can you all show your wrist? I can show my wrist. Do you want to see? See. This is a wrist. What is this? This is a wrist. This is a joint between hand and arms. This is a joint between hands and arms. So this is called wrist. And sisters tie Rakhi on this wrist only. Yes. So wrist means a joint between hands and arms. Right? Do you want to see a wrist? Come, let's see with ma'am. Children, can you see a wrist? Can you see a wrist over here? See, this is a hand and this is an arm. So it is a joint between hand and arm. See, he is holding his wrist. This man is holding his wrist. Hand and arms joint is called wrist. Yes, so this is a wrist and everyone has a wrist. Right? Good. So children, you have seen wrist. Now you want to know the next word. And the next word is wash. What is my next word? Wash. And what is the meaning of wash? We wash so many things. But what is wash? Wash is to wash something with water. Wash is to wash something with water. Okay, do you want to see? Wash? I will show you. Come. See, children, what is this? This person, this man is washing his hands with water and soap. Yes, wash means dhona, to wash something. Okay, either with soap or only with water, or wash your hands with soap and wash your head with shampoo. So that is all wash. Wash is to wash something. Okay, can you see the water is washing all the fruits and vegetables in the basket? See? The water is coming from the tap and this lady is washing her fruits and vegetables. Right? Now, what is the meaning of wash? Wash is to wash something with water. So, children, you have seen wash also. So, we have done two new words, wrist and wash. What is the meaning of wrist? Wrist is a joint between hand and arm. This is a wrist. Okay? And my another word was wash. And wash is to wash something with water. To wash anything with water. Or soap. And you take bath. When you take bath, you wash your body. You clean your body with water. Right? With soap. So that is all wash. Okay? So we have done so many things today. Shall we say bye-bye this time? Okay. So you have to revise all the things with Mama. And I will see you again. Bye-bye. Take care. Love you. Mwah.